Welcome back to Mini Adventure Camper Tricycle, where big journeys start small. Today, we're diving into a brand new design built for those who crave freedom, simplicity, and off-grid capability, all packed into a compact, electric-powered tricycle camper. Imagine waking up to birdsong in the forest, the scent of pine in the air, and your cozy microcamper right beside you. No loud engines, no gas fumes. Just you, the road, and a tiny home that goes wherever your heart leads. That's the spirit behind the 2026 Mini Adventure Camper Tricycle. It's not just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle. Let's start with the core, the tricycle. This year's model runs on a 1,500-watt brushless rear hub motor, powered by a swappable 48V lithium-ion battery pack with a range of up to 60 miles per charge, depending on terrain and weight. It's pedal-assisted, too, so when the road gets steep or you're just in the mood to ride old school, you've got full control. And for charging, a fold-out 200-watt solar panel keeps you powered off-grid. No need for RV hookups or gas stations, just sunlight and time. The camper module is what really turns heads. At just under 4 feet wide and 7 feet long, it's ultra-compact but surprisingly versatile. The exterior is made from lightweight aluminum with recycled composite panels for insulation. The curved roof helps shed rain, and there's even a roof vent with a USB-powered fan to keep air flowing. Weighing under 250 pounds fully equipped, it's easy to tow, even with just pedal power in a pinch. Step inside, and you'll find a cleverly designed interior that transforms throughout the day. By day, it's a mini lounge with a fold-down table and a cushioned bench seat. By night, the bench folds flat into a sleeping platform, just long enough for one adult or two cozy travelers. LED strip lighting lines the ceiling, and a skylight gives you a view of the stars at night. Storage is a big deal in a tiny space, and this camper makes every inch count. Beneath the seat, there are 2 deep compartments for your sleeping bag, cooking gear, or even a foldable drone for scenic footage. Overhead, there's a hanging shelf system made from mesh, lightweight, flexible, and perfect for clothes or snacks. But the magic really happens outside. A side-mounted awning pulls out in seconds to create a shaded outdoor living space. There's a small table that attaches to the side panel for cooking or working, and yes, there's a portable stove and a 10-liter water tank tucked in the rear compartment. The camper even includes a foldable seat that doubles as a storage bin. Minimalism meets utility. For hygiene and basic needs, the camper comes with a compact outdoor shower kit and a dry toilet option that fits in the rear hatch. It's not luxury, but it's practical, and it keeps you self-sufficient for days off the grid. The Mini Adventure isn't built for speed, it's built for peace. Cruising at a top speed of around 20 miles per hour, it's perfect for bike lanes, trails, and slow country roads. That slower pace gives you time to actually enjoy the ride, to notice the wildflowers, to hear the wind, to stop at a stream just because you can. This year's upgrades also include better suspension on both the front fork and the rear axle. That makes a huge difference on gravel paths and uneven forest tracks. Combine that with puncture-resistant tires and you're set for a variety of terrains without needing to turn back. What about tech? A handlebar-mounted display gives you real-time speed, battery levels, and distance traveled. There's also a built-in GPS tracker for security and location logging. A USB charging hub inside the camper lets you keep your phone, camera, or even a laptop powered up, ideal for digital nomads or travel vloggers. One of the most exciting additions this year is the modular add-on system. Want a cargo box instead of the camper shell? You can swap it out. Want to attach a mini fridge or an extra battery pack? There are mounts for that. It's your adventure, your way. And speaking of adventure, let's talk about why people are falling in love with camper tricycles. They're eco-friendly, incredibly affordable compared to vans or RVs, and they offer a slower, more intimate way of travel. You don't need a license in most places, and you don't need fuel. Just the will to go. We've met people using these for weekend getaways, full-time travel, urban camping, and even as emergency shelters. The point is, it's not about how far you go, but how deeply you experience each place along the way. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a budget traveler, or someone just looking for a simpler life on wheels, the 2026 Mini Adventure Camper Tricycle is a beautiful balance of design, function, and freedom. So where will you go first? A lake hidden in the woods? A quiet beach at sunrise? A backroad through farmlands you've never seen before? With the Mini Adventure, anywhere is possible as long as you're willing to go slow and livelight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite feature or tell us where you'd take your camper tricycle next. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your spirit free.